Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by treating the app like a source of assets and behavior. Export UI components, icons, and responsive images, and map each app feature to a web equivalent. Once done, pick a technology stack that matches your needs, React or Next, JS for interactivity, or static HTML for simple content. You should also prepare API access patterns and authentication flows now, because replacing native storage or background tasks later is harder. Make sure to version assets and document endpoints as you go. Now you implement the core architecture. Translate app screens into routes or pages, wire global state or context, and build API adapters to match mobile endpoints. You will recreate authentication flows with OAuth or token refresh, and replace local storage with secure cookies or indexed DB as appropriate. Once the basics work, focus on SEO and accessibility, semantic HTML, meta tags, and keyboard support because they affect discoverability and usability. Make sure components are responsive and test at common breakpoints. Finish by optimizing builds, enabling tree shaking, and configuring caching and a CDN to serve assets fast. Deploy via CI/CD to a staging environment, run cross-browser and performance testing, and validate security headers and rate limits. Once deployed to production, monitor logs and analytics for regressions. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue locally, inspect network and server logs, and deploy a targeted rollback or hotfix. Keeping feature flags handy makes quick fixes safer. You'll learn by iterating post-launch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.